Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Freedom comes in three forms. The first is political emancipation from the conqueror. The second is economic, and the third is social. India has only achieved the first. Captain Lakshmi Sagar.
Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men read it. George Bernard Shaw. Happy Independence Day.
Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. By Jawaharlal Nehru. Happy Independence Day.
Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. By Abraham Lincoln. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning. We want deeper sensitivity of motive, a greater courage in speech, and earnestness in action. By Sarojini Naidu. I wish you a happy Independence Day for all. Thank you.
Freedom is never voluntarily given by oppressor. It must be demanded by oppressed. By Martin Luther King. Happy Independence Day to all.
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Mahatma Gandhi. I wish you all a happy.
Freedom lies in being bold. By Robert Frost. Happy Independence Day.
The presentation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. By Lal Bahadur Shastri. Happy Independence Day.
सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
I wish all of you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. Happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrate this day with the full spirit of patriotism. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, today I am going to say a few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on every year August 15th. We got independence on 1947 August 15th. We celebrate this day to remember our freedom fighters who sacrifices their life and give freedom to our country. The Prime Minister will hoist the flag at Red Fort, New Delhi. We will celebrate the day by watching parades and rallies on TV, by hoisting flags, and also by distributing sweets. This day also helps India to display their developments in social, economical, and political departments in digital platforms. At every year, there would be a chief guest. In this year, due to the pandemic coronavirus, there would be no chief guest. In this year, we are going to celebrate 75th Independence Day. This year's Independence Day theme is Nation First, Always First. By all these words, I am ending my speech here. Happy Independence Day to all.